Here we are, my favorite place, the bathroom. And what is my video going to be today? Well, it's going to be something having to do with one of these light switches. This other light switch here, do you see what I'm seeing here? There's a, let's see if I can't get you in there at a different angle. See that right in there? There's a scratch all the way through it. It's not cracked necessarily, but I don't like that. And I'm going to go ahead and replace that and that. See, that's for my fan. And you see, that's something else I'm going to have to do one of these days. Hear how loud it is? That's a 15-year-old exhaust fan. And I'm going to have to take that motor assembly down and see if I can't get a different one at the store. A whole motor assembly and replace that so I don't have to replace the entire exhaust fan. That's going to be another time, but for this particular video, I'm going to take this switch out. This is a single pole light switch, even though it's for the exhaust fan, okay? And that's what the video is going to be about. If you want to see that, stick around. Regular light switch, and changed it out to a dimmer switch. Whenever I did that, I would just, if the switch was still good, I'd save it. And that's what I've done, and that's why I've got some other light switches for that. I don't even have to buy any light switches. I've got some switches here, some old switches. This happens to be a single pole light switch.